homemade all-natural skin whitening carrot body balm. For whitening your facial skin, you use many methods such as you use facial bleach creams. Also, you get skin polish and skin facial treatments. How to whiten your body skin. It is not easy for you to apply bleach creams on all body parts as some parts of your body are extremely sensitive. For body whitening, here, I have the best home remedy. In this video, I am going to share with you an effective home remedy to make skin whitening carrot body balm. If you want to get rid of your dark body skin, make and use this body balm and have fair skin. Firming and anti-aging skin serum recipe. To make a body balm at home to whiten your skin, the ingredients you will need are: ingredients: carrot oil, turmeric oil, beeswax, lemon essence oil. Procedure: melt the oils and beeswax together. After this, you will get the best skin whitening carrot body balm ready for use. Store the balm into an airtight container. How to use. To whiten your skin, apply this body balm to your body after taking a bath twice daily. Benefits you will get. Carrot oil is very good for whitening your skin. The oil has beta-carotene, and thus, it helps in the cure of skin pigmentation fast. The use of carrot oil helps in blocking the production of melanin. This, as a result, helps to whiten your skin naturally. Carrot oil also helps in the process of regeneration of your skin cells, and it treats damaged skin fast. The use of turmeric oil is effective for the cure of skin infections, and it is effective to brighten up your skin. This homemade skin whitening carrot body balm is just amazing. It has a very effective result. The use of this body balm helps to lighten and whiten your skin fast. So, if you are looking for the best homemade solution for body whitening, make and use this body balm and get a fair and white skin.